So we go to business studies, market research, chapter 11, market research. So the role of market research, a business needs to find out how many people would want to buy the product it is planning to offer for sale. If there is not a very big market for the product, a great deal of money could be wasted developing a product that not many people will buy. It could even cause the business to fail altogether. Therefore, it is very important that market research is carried out accurately. So for market research, you need to find out. It's about finding out. That is what market research is about. Yes. Finding out what customers would need. What specification do they want? So because if you don't find out the needs of customers, that means you will be producing goods that customers are not going to buy. Yes. Then it's a failure. Yeah. So what are the role of market research? Well, they said the role of market research is to try to find out answers to these questions. So there are different questions in the market that you need to find answers to. That is why you are finding out. One, would customers be willing to buy my product? That's the first question. Now that we have a product design, yes, do we think that customers will be able to buy this product? You don't have the answers. The answers will come from either the field or desk research.
Or what?
Desk research, that's secondary. Okay. So you have the question, but the answer doesn't come from you. The answer comes from the field. If they are going to buy or they are willing to buy or not, that's the first one. Yes. What price would they be prepared to pay? It's about demand, and demand is about price. So is it the price, is this price affordable for customers? That's the point they're making there. Is this price affordable for customers? This question cannot be answered by you. It will be answered through the research. The third one, where would they be most likely to buy my product? We're talking about the location, convenience of customers. Where do you think? Do you think it's through retail? Do you think it's through wholesale? Do you think it's through agents? You need to find out through market research. What feature of my product do customers most like or dislike? For example, maybe the product design is done. You've done a test marketing. What is the feedback you get from them? What are those things that, through your feedback, you'll be able to know the strengths and the weakness of your product? Yes. What type of customer would buy my products? This is when we're talking about segmentation.
Which one?
Yeah. So who are those that want to buy our products? What are the reasons they want to buy our products? Yes. What type of promotion would be effective with this type of customers? So, since you are able to find out which customer wants to buy your product, how are you going to be able to reach them? What kind of adverts do you need to place to reach them? If they are younger age, it means you need to think about using social media.
Above the line promotion.
Yeah, above the line promotion. Thank you. But if it's middle age or old age, maybe you have to think about newspaper or television. Yes. Clear. Yeah. How strong is the competition, and who are the main competing businesses? So, when you make research, you're not only making research about customers, you're also making research about your competitors. So, who are those at that top? Who are those? Which of the business is having the highest position in the market? So, how are you going to topple it? How can you reach it? You need to know your competitors. So, market research is not just going to be about your product; it's also about your competitors. What are they doing that is making them to be at the top? So you can also adjust. Yes. So by carrying out research, by carrying out market research, a business can identify customer needs in a changing and competitive international environment. This is essential if a business is to remain competitive in the future. So in a nutshell, when you carry out market research, it means you have known the strengths and the weakness of your competitors. You are able to understand the market situation in terms of the needs and wants of customers, and you'll be able to adapt. So when you're able to do all this, it makes you to remain relevant in the market, and you can remain competitive.